Hi girls, today I am going to explain the concept of arithmetic instructions of Intel 8085. In my last class I explained about data transfer instructions of Intel 8085. So today I am start this topic going to share what is arithmetic instructions. In Intel 8085 these are all the arithmetic instructions: addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. In addition you have these types of operations. Okay, so add, what is the use of the add is the instruction. Here the add instructions will add the 8-bit number to the accumulator. So add means add the content of the register with the accumulator. Okay, for example, in this example you can see add B. Here B is the register name, add is the instruction. What the operation performed here is add the content of the accumulator plus the content of the register, and the result is stored in the accumulator. Okay, so like that here the subtract instruction SUI 32. SUI is an 8-bit number is subtracted from the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. Here subtract C. Here this is the 3-bit number. Here this is a register. Okay. So SUB means subtract the content of the register. Here the content of the register C is subtracted from the content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. Okay, so here this is the example of the increment. Increment D means here this is the INR. INR means the content of the register D is incremented by 1. If we store a value something in D, the next instruction is a decrement DC or E. The register is E. Here the instructions decrement the content of the register by 1. This is the example of how addition operation performed in Intel 8085. Here I give the example ADD or means a register. Add the register to the accumulator, add the content of the register or to the accumulator. Here I give a value 10 to A and 12 to B. Here I use this register B. This is the instruction add B. Here defaultly the accumulator will placed here. The expansion of this instruction is A is equal to A plus B. So the content of the register B is added with the content of the accumulator. The final result is stored in the accumulator itself. Okay. So here the value of the register A is 10, the value of the register B is 12. This is explained in the binary format. Here the addition operation is performed. In the addition operation, both the bits are true, the output will be true. Otherwise the output, in the addition 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. According to the truth table, you have to add these two bits. Okay, so 1 plus 1 you have to get 0, the remainder 1 is placed here and the 1 is placed here. Okay, the final value is 22H. Okay, that is stored in the accumulator A. So this is the here this is not the logical operation and this is the arithmetic operation, and so both bits are added together. Okay, it's not an logical operation. This is another example. In the previous example, this instruction is add B. This is the content of the accumulator is added with the content of the register. Here in this example, add 2015 is the instruction. That means the content of the memory location is added with the accumulator and then the final value is stored in the accumulator. Okay, here this is the HL pair. HL pair means this is the memory location. On that memory location a value is stored, that value is added with the content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. Here the value of the accumulator is 20, the memory location 2051 has the value 10. So these two values are added and the result is stored in the accumulator. This is the example of this instruction. Here the value of the A is 20 and the value of the B is 10. This is the binary notation of 20 and the binary notation of 10. Here the arithmetic AND operation is performed. So 0 plus 0 0 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So the 30H is placed in the accumulator. Here there is no carry is produced, so carry flag is not affected in this example. Okay, this is the example of add M. Add M means the content of the memory location is added with the content of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator itself. Okay. So this is another instructions in the addition arithmetic operation in Intel 8085. This is the add C. Add C means add the register with the carry to accumulator. In the previous example, you can't add the carry. In this instruction add C, the carry flag also added with the content of the register plus the content of the accumulator. The final result is stored in the accumulator. Okay. So here the value of the accumulator is 2B. The value of the C register is 58. Okay. This is the binary notations of the two values. Here the addition is performed. This is the arithmetic addition. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 2. That means 1 0. 0 is placed here. The 1 is carry over to the next bit. So these two bits are added. Again the 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. Again the 1 is carried toward the next bit. So again this is the 1 plus 1 0. Again the 1 is carried to the next bit. So 1 plus 1 is 0. The last here the carried 1 is transferred to the next bit. So the 0 plus 1 is placed here. Okay. So in this example of arithmetic instruction there is no carry. So the carry status flag is assigned to 0. If you add 0 to this, you can get the same value 83H. Okay. So this is the carry flag 0. This is the output of the two numbers 2B plus 58 is this is the addition of these two numbers. You added this carry because in this example the carry flag is not affected, so the 0 is the carry flag value. So these two values are added again and the result 83H is stored in the accumulator. So this is the example of add C. Add C means add the register plus the accumulator plus the content of the carry flag also. The final value is stored in the accumulator. So this is the truth table of the binary subtraction. In the binary subtraction 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is 1. That is you borrow the 1 bit from the next bit position. So here 0 minus 1 means output subtraction value is 1. The borrow is also 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. No borrow here. 1 minus 1 is also defaultly 0 0. No borrow. The output is 0. This is the truth table. Here this is the two examples are placed here for the subtraction. Here according to this truth table, this one is the 1 minus 0, the output is 1, there is no borrow here. 1 minus 1, the last statement here, the output is 0, no borrow here. 0 minus 0, the subtraction value is 0, no borrow here. Again the 1 minus 0, the value is 1, no borrow. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So this is the another example. Here the borrow is taken place here. 1 minus 1 0 here, no, it's a no problem. But here this is a 0 minus 1. This is the second row. 0 minus 1. Here you borrow 1 from the next bit, so it becomes 2. So 1 0 means 2. It becomes 2. 2 minus 1 1. Again this is the 0 is placed here. 0 minus 1 is in this statement you borrow this 1 to here, so 1 0. Again this is a 2. 2 minus 1 1. Here the 0 is placed. 0 minus 0 0 is displayed. Okay. This is the subtraction rule in Intel 8085. According to this, the subtraction was performed in Intel 8085 instructions. This is also the example of subtraction. Here the number 193 is subtracted from 34. What will happen here? 1 minus 0 1, it's no problem. When 0 minus 1, you have to borrow 1 from the left bit. Okay. So this is the left bit. Here these are all the 4 zeros and then this is the 1 bit is placed here. So you borrow this 1 to here and this 1 becomes 0 and this borrow 2. This is the number 2 will appear here. From this 1 0 minus 1 1 here. Again this is a 0. You borrow this 1 from, you borrow this 1 here, so this will be the 1 0. The 1 0 is again, because there is another 1 is here. In this example you borrow this 1, this becomes 1 0 and then this one is borrowed to this this one is borrowed to this, this one is borrowed to this, then again this will go to this. This is the 2. So these are all the 1. 1 0 means 2. 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 0 1 here. So again 1 minus 1 0. Here this is 0. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 0 0. This is the example of the subtraction. So here these two are the example of some subtraction instructions: SBB OR and SBB M. OR means register, M means memory. Here the content of the register or memory location and memory flag are subtracted from the content of the accumulator. Okay, here also the accumulator plays a major role. This is inbuiltly accumulator is in the instructions, so the result is stored in the accumulator. So these are all again some examples of the arithmetic operations. The first one is the ADD OR and ADD M. ADD OR means add, OR means the content of the register is added with the content of the memory. Sorry, the content of the register is added with the content of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator. Here, the content of the memory location is added with the content of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator. This is the immediate data. Here ADI means the 8-bit data is immediately placed after the instruction. That data is added with the accumulator. Result is stored in the accumulator. DAD. This is the 16-bit content of the specified register pair or added to the content of the HL register. The result is stored in the HL pair. The content of the source register pair are not altered. If the result is larger than the 16 bits, the carry flag is set. Otherwise, no flags are affected here. This is the subtraction instruction. Subtraction SUB OR and SUBM. SUB OR means the content of the register. Any register, there are 6 general purpose registers in Intel 8085. That register are subtracted from the content of the accumulator. The result is placed in the accumulator. I will give you the examples in detail for the subtractions. These are all the instruction only. How the subtraction taken place will be explained in my further slides. I will be showing you all. If the operand is the memory location, in the second example, this is the memory location. If the operand is the memory location, its location is specified by the HL register pair. So all flags are modified to reflect the result of the subtraction. Here this is the content of the memory location is subtracted from the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator. So this is SBB. This means the borrow, because like carry in addition, in subtraction borrow is used. In the truth table itself we can also, I shown you that the 0 minus 1, if you subtract the 1 from 0, you get a borrow. Okay, so this is instruction for the SBB, that is this borrow. So subtract source and borrow from accumulator. Okay, SBB OR means the content of the operand. Either it may be operand may be a register or a memory, and the borrow flag or subtracted from the content of the accumulator, and the result is placed in the accumulator. Okay. This is the immediate data, SUI. Subtract immediate from accumulator. This is the data is given immediately after the instruction. That data is subtracted from the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. This is the subtract immediate from accumulator with borrow. This is without borrow. This is with borrow. The 8-bit data, that is the operand, and the borrow flag are subtracted from the content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. So this is the increment register or memory by 1. Okay, this is the INR. This is the content of the register is incremented by 1. For example, B is a general purpose register. If you already stored the value 10 in the register B, if you use the instruction INR B, it increment the content of the register to 11. Okay, because in the register B you stored the value 10, that is incremented by 1. So the value of the B now after the instruction INR B is 11. So here the INR M means the content of the memory location. Okay, that is incremented by 1. If there is a memory location 2015, on that memory location you have a value 12. After this instruction is used, the content of the memory location is incremented by the 1. These are all the instructions used in the arithmetic operations in Intel 8085. Okay, this is the INX. This is the content of the